Hey guys, welcome to another episode on my channel. So today we are going to talk about Torsocks or command torify. This command, as you know, it's for torification of specific apps. And by the way, in this episode we are going to talk about how to torify apps, not entire operating systems. I'm going to show you how to torify apps on Linux, on Windows and on Android. If you want to torify entire system, you can use Unix, TailOS, and Kali Linux can easily be torified. Torification of operating system on Windows, it's subject for its own episode. And once again, in here we are dealing with torification of specific apps. And first thing that you should do, go to Tor project and install Tor Browser. With Tor Browser on Linux, you are going to get Tor service. And first type sudo systemctl status Tor. As you can see on my machine, Tor is up and running. If that is not case with you, type sudo systemctl first enable Tor, and when it's enabled, then start Tor. And now we can torify curl command in two ways. Directly we can type curl, then with command socks5 minus host name, we are going to provide 127.0.0.1 on port 9050. By starting Tor service, we got it up and running on port 9050. And through this port we can use Tor network. And with command socks5 host name, we are saying that we are going to use proxy through this Tor service. And finally, I'm just going to provide URL like in any other case. And in here I'm going to use https for ipconfig.com. With this URL we are going to receive my public IP address. And by the way, this IP address is torified, it's not my own. Later on we are going to use geolocation. But before that, I'm going to teach you another way to torify this curl command. And by the way, this can work with many other commands. So with Torsocks, type curl, and now path again, https for ipconfig.com. By the way, I'm using this URL because it's a free API and I'm getting the same IP address. Okay, now I'm going to copy this IP address and I'm going to open my Zen browser. As you can see, I'm on whatismyipaddress.com and I'm going to paste this IP address in search bar. It says that I'm in Netherlands and I'm definitely not there. Now, if you want to change this IP address, you can do it easily. Let me show you. What you have to do is use sudo systemctl restart Tor. Now, if I use this curl command once again, I'm going to get completely different IP address. I'm going to copy it now. Let me show you what we have now. Alright, now I'm in United States. But now, before we continue with Windows, let me show you how to torify your web browser. And I'm not going to torify my Zen browser because I'm using it all the time. I am going to torify Firefox. Alright, so in order to torify Firefox, go to settings and find proxy. Actually, every browser supports proxy functionality. Go to settings and in here check manual proxy configuration. Type 127.0.0.1 and in port type 9050 with socks5. I'm going to click OK and I'm going to search for IP geolocation. I guess that Tor automatically changed my IP address. Now I am in Vienna. That is actually much closer than US or Netherlands, but doesn't matter. Okay, if you want to remove these settings, once again, go to settings, go to proxy settings, and just remove this. Okay, so that's about Linux. Now I'm going to jump to Windows. On Windows also you have to install Tor Browser first. And when you install it, go to File Explorer and find installation path. By default it's on C drive, Program Files, Tor Browser. Then go to Browser, Tor Browser and Tor. And then you are going to find this executable, Tor.exe. Execute it and wait until it's connected. As you can see, I'm connected. Now we are going to run curl command once again to see what IP address we are going to get. Now we are going to do geolocation of this IP address. Going to open my browser. Let me see. Okay, now I'm again in United States, in Texas. And finally, let's jump to Android. As you can see, I already have installed Tor Browser on my Android phone, but in order to torify other applications, that's not enough. We have to install something else. Go to your Google Play Store and look for Orbot and install it. Alright, I'm going to open it now. Now I have to use another phone in order to record this part because Orbot has screen protect. When you open Orbot, start VPN. Wait until it's done. Now go to three dots, go to choose apps and select app that you want to use with Orbot. I'm going to find my web browser and on my phone I'm using Chrome. All right. Get out. Now I'm going to open my Chrome. And once again, I'm going to search for geolocation. Let me see. Too many ads. Sorry for that. And finally, for this episode, as you can see, my IP address is located in Germany. So guys, that's all for this episode. I hope that you learned something new and interesting. So please like, subscribe, and see ya!